Hello friends, in the second part of the video we will learn to make watermelon juice. This is very easy and easily available across India. What I like to juice is seasonal fruits and vegetables that are available easily during the season. So we keep our juicer that's running now. We've done the amla shot. We've given it a good water rinse so that the amla flavor does not come in the watermelon. You've cut the watermelon and stored it in the refrigerator for about an hour. It gives the watermelon a very cold and fresh taste. So we start putting these cut pieces into our juicer one by one. Please chop your watermelon or whatever vegetables or fruits that you want to put in, as properly as you can chop them. They help the juicer in extracting the maximum juice from the fruit. If you put the entire thing in one go, then you may end up with a lot more pulp than juice because the auger can only take in so much at one time. So as you can see over here, we start to collect in a collection jar. We have a sieve over here. Always ensure that you have a sieve so that any unwanted pulp will not make its way into your juice. So you will put some mint also. Now this is extremely refreshing to add some mint to the watermelon. You will add a little bit of mint. This is chopped mint, and so this will give the watermelon a very fresh, nice taste. Very easy to make juice at home, and I would encourage all viewers to make as much juice as possible. It is the purest form of dietary intake and will help you not just during these times but otherwise also. It has absolutely no side effects. Contrary to popular myths, heavy juicing or doing juice fasts is proven to be extremely beneficial for the human body because we are taking in fruits in the purest form. So we will take this, we'll add a little more mint to it. You can add other things also to your juice like chia seeds or ice. I don't prefer to add because ice basically dilutes the flavor. So what we do is we basically put the watermelon in the freezer for a little while before juicing. This makes the watermelon really cold and it eliminates the need to add ice. So we are putting in, and now as you see I've put in a lot of watermelon pieces, so that's slowly going to make its way. So we must wait before we add more watermelon. As you can see, our collection beaker is almost full. This is pure watermelon juice. So next time I will explain the difference between a cold press juicer and a slow juicer. Cold press juicers are extremely good. If you read about Gerson therapy online, then it is prescribed in Gerson therapy, but unfortunately cold press juicers are slightly expensive. So for now we are going to work with the slow juicer. This is better than a centrifugal fast juicer that a lot of you may already have in your houses, which runs at a very high speed. So as the collection beaker is full, we'll turn this motor off from here and we'll just tap the sieve. So here you can see we have fresh watermelon juice. We will have a look from the top. So that is fresh watermelon juice. We will pour it nicely into our glass. And we've got enough juice to make about 3 to 4 glasses with more watermelons kept over here. And this is the watermelon juice that is perfect for summers, highly alkalizing, and this is the best thing that you can give to your body during the summer months. Thank you.